What's going on, you guys? Mr. By the Mile. Get right into it. We are peaceful slaves, and the government antagonistic masters of division. Understand that war today is of the mind. It's psychological. Ever heard the word psyop? Of course you have. You can't fully subscribe to something that you can't prove. You've probably heard of Q, A, non. It starts off extremely logical, it makes sense, right? And then they get into some crazy stuff. Now it's a fact. It's a proven fact that up in the ranks, Pizzagate and all that, it's been proven that over the years, our governments as well as others have increased their riches and control through human trafficking, drug trafficking, all sorts of other things. We know that this exists, right? It's true. It's been proven, right? Leaders of every nation have dabbled in it. Understanding the knowledge in how there's two economies, and you understand that, it'll open your mind up to a lot of other truths. Everything these days, man, they're trying to make us make the first move so that they can, in turn, respond with their agenda. Because, it's pretty clear, man, how crazy all this stuff is. Especially all the stuff on the internet these days. A lot of weak-minded people are buying into it. You know what I'm saying? And it's just getting outlandish and ridiculous. Look, we know that this is a fact. They traffic children, they traffic adults, they traffic drugs. This leads into so many other conversations and topics. And, honestly, you guys, the most important thing for you to do is to stop listening to everyone else and start focusing on you and your family, your well-being. Look, man, I know there's a lot of USHTFers out there. I'm one of them. I prepare. But, of course, get yourself settled geographically, in the best possible place where you can use as a stronghold, of course. That's smart. That's a smart thing to do. But don't get so lost in all of these things that are online, man, because the leaders of the world have access to some great minds of psychology, of war, of etc. And they've got the best minds working against the people. They know how to manipulate us. You can't buy into everything that you're seeing because your IQ isn't as high as theirs. So you know what? It's better to not fully subscribe and rest in the understanding that they can only manipulate you as much as you'll allow. And the other understanding is that they need us to keep on going. They need us. They can't do it by themselves. There are too few of them. There are more of us than them. They're going to continue to take more and more rights over the years. There's still a longer period of time for them to fully integrate their ideology and what they're trying to do. It's going to take a lot longer. We're not going to be... Anyway, just look, man. Just stop freaking out. Stop thinking that the world's going to end, and rest in the knowledge that God created you in his image, and therefore you are more powerful than you think you are. And they are occupying your mind and stealing your peace by putting all of this other outlandish shit out there that you don't need to be listening to. You have to listen intuitively, right? No matter what, there is a great awakening going on. People are waking up. And there are side effects to awakening, right? And if you aren't being led by the right people or persons when it comes to a spiritual awakening, it can kill you. It can make you go crazy. It can be very negative, but with the right guidance, it can be extremely positive. Just understand, live your life knowing that everything's going to be okay. Because death is coming for everybody. No matter what, you can't escape that. Death is coming for everyone eventually. Even for them, all the ones pulling the strings. Whether you believe that there's reptilians out there and draconians and whatever, is aside from the point. Right now we can only control our actions and how we think and how we live our life. What we should be continuing to do is spread that love. We really want to change things. Hey man, stop buying at Walmart and Amazon and Target and all these companies that continue to shove money into the government's pockets, and start creating our own economy, because the realization that there are two economies is a fact. We do the same thing to them that they've done to us, right? If we were able to grow all our own stuff together, and all these trucking companies could start working for true American companies, right? And we can phase out what the hell it is that they're trying to do. It's not about stocking silver and gold and all this. It's about community. It's about not allowing this technology to separate our mind from reality, and understanding that we are more real than technology, that we have to help ourselves to continue to flourish. This, I guess you could call it New World Order, whatever. They want all these machines to take over everything, because the less we work, the richer they get. And it's just as simple as that. It's just, you don't have to look so damn deep into it. The answer is right there on the surface. It's about each other. It's always been about us. God has been in each and every one of us all along, from the moment you were born. And if we focused on that, we focus on us, we focus on God, it'd be a hell of a lot more peace in the world. The people truly are inherently good, right? And money is the root of all evil. But it's not money's fault. In the end, it's our own. Whether this all works out or not falls on us. As men and women, human beings, it's all on us. The fact that we've destroyed a lot of nature, that's on us. The fact that cancer exists, that's on us. Start taking more responsibility. Change our actions, change ourselves, meditate, look within, clear your mind, stop eating all of these fake GMO filled things. I was trying to find another word. Things. And just, you know, exercise. Just live a healthy lifestyle. You'll start thinking a hell of a lot clearer. Anyways, it's probably different from the stuff that you're used to, but hey, man, hope this gives you a little bit of calm and peace, a little more understanding. You know, you can take what I've said as truth or an opinion. It's up to you. That's the beauty of the YouTubes, right? Mr. By the Mile, if you like this video, thumbs up, of course. You know, all that mumbo jumbo, all the stuff I gotta say to make sure that my channel does great, right? I don't care about money, you guys. All I care about is interpersonal connection. Connecting with you guys, you connecting with me. Comment below with your own ideas. That's what it's about, man. There's a lot of sick people out there, you know? There's a lot of people that are giving into this misinformation. It's sad, man. You can see the psychological warfare going on, you know, and it is what it is. But it's important to understand that God is stronger than all that shit. That you are stronger than all that shit because he created you in his image. All you truckers out there, man, take care, stay safe. See you on the road.